Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem faced when calculating values based on a specific input. The problem at hand involves needing to calculate the resulting y based on an input of x, but running into issues when the x value exceeds 200%. Now let's talk about the solution. The formula provided tackles this problem head-on by adjusting the data range for x values from A2, A7 to A2, A6, essentially shifting from interpolation to extrapolation. The formula itself involves a series of calculations leveraging index, match, and simple arithmetic operations to accurately determine the corresponding y value based on the input x. Continuing with the solution, an alternative formula is introduced, which offers a more concise and modern approach using the let function, XLOOKUP, and FORECAST.LINEAR. This formula streamlines the process by efficiently handling the extrapolation scenario, resulting in a more robust and user-friendly calculation method for determining y values. In summary, we've explored two effective formulas to address the challenge of calculating y values beyond the 200% threshold based on x inputs. By adjusting the data range and utilizing advanced Excel functions, you can accurately derive the desired results with ease. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. And as always, keep those formulas in check and happy calculating.